Antarctica is often regarded as one of the last true frontiers of exploration on Earth. It's an unforgiving and remote land of ice and snow, with vast swathes of frozen wilderness that remain largely untouched by human activity. Beneath the thick layers of ice, scientists believe there could be a wealth of hidden secrets, from ancient ecosystems and lost civilizations to clues about Earth's climate history and even microbial life. Despite decades of scientific research and exploration, much of Antarctica remains shrouded in mystery, with many of its deepest secrets yet to be uncovered. The vastness of Antarctica's ice sheets, which cover nearly 14 million square kilometers, makes it incredibly difficult to explore and study. These thick layers of ice are not only impenetrable, but also hide many of the mysteries that have sparked intense curiosity and speculation over the years. Below the ice, the landscape is rich with geological features, lakes, subglacial rivers, and ecosystems that could hold the key to understanding the planet's history and perhaps even the origins of life itself. As technology advances and the ice sheets continue to be studied, questions arise about the nature of the secrets lying beneath this frozen continent. Could Antarctica hold answers to some of humanity's biggest questions about life, climate change, and the planet's future? To understand the vastness and importance of Antarctica, it's essential to first recognize its unique and extreme environment. Antarctica is the driest, coldest, and windiest continent on Earth, and it is almost entirely covered by a massive ice sheet, with ice depths that can reach several kilometers in some places. The Antarctic ice sheet holds around 60% of the world's freshwater, making it an integral part of Earth's climate system. The continent's temperatures regularly drop below -50°C, and harsh winds whip through the landscape at speeds of over 200 kilometers per hour. These extreme conditions have made Antarctica one of the least explored regions on the planet, and its icy surface remains a formidable barrier to scientific exploration. Beneath the ice, however, lies a different world entirely. The ice sheet is not a static, unchanging surface, but rather a dynamic system that moves and shifts over time. Beneath this thick sheet, there are valleys, mountains, subglacial lakes, and even ancient ecosystems that may have remained isolated from the rest of the world for millions of years. The conditions below the ice are far more complex than they appear on the surface, and the exploration of these hidden features holds great potential for scientific discovery. Subglacial lakes, windows into the poststone of the most fascinating discoveries about Antarctica's hidden world is the presence of subglacial lakes, bodies of water that exist beneath the thick layers of ice. These lakes, which are typically located several kilometers beneath the surface, remain liquid despite the frigid temperatures on them due to the pressure from the overlying ice. Subglacial lakes are among the most intriguing and mysterious features of the Antarctic landscape, offering a potential glimpse into the Earth's distant past and even the possibility of microbial life existing in extreme conditions. The most famous of these subglacial lakes is Lake Vostok, a massive, ancient body of water located under 4 kilometers of ice. Lake Vostok has been isolated from the outside world for tens of millions of years, making it a unique environment for scientific study. In 2012, Russian scientists successfully drilled through the ice and obtained water samples from the lake, revealing microorganisms that had adapted to the extreme conditions. These microorganisms could provide insight into how life might survive in other extreme environments, such as on other planets or moons in our solar system. Some researchers even speculate that life forms could exist in subglacial lakes that have been trapped there for millions of years, isolated from the rest of the world and possibly evolving in ways that we cannot yet comprehend. Lake Whillans, another subglacial lake beneath the West Antarctic ice sheet, was the site of a groundbreaking exploration in 2013 when scientists extracted water and sediment samples. The discovery of microbes in the water, thriving in near-freezing temperatures with no light or oxygen, raised the possibility that microbial life could survive in environments far more extreme than previously thought. These findings provide compelling evidence that life is incredibly resilient and that similar environments on other planets, such as Mars, could potentially harbor life as well. Ancient ecosystems. What can they tell us? The idea that ancient ecosystems could be preserved beneath the ice raises tantalizing questions about what we might find buried in Antarctica's frozen landscape. Scientists believe that some regions of the continent have been isolated from the outside world for millions of years, allowing ancient ecosystems to be preserved in pristine condition. In these isolated environments, scientists hope to uncover evidence of species that have been long extinct or entirely unknown, offering a snapshot of life on Earth during past geological epochs. In addition to microbial life, there is speculation that larger, more complex life forms could have lived in Antarctica's past. Fossils of plants, trees, and even dinosaurs have been discovered in some parts of Antarctica, suggesting that the continent was once much warmer and more hospitable than it is today. The idea that the ice sheet may have once supported entire ecosystems, including ancient forests and possibly even large animals, challenges our understanding of Earth's past climate and geography. The role of ice cores in unlocking secrets. Ice cores are some of the most valuable tools in scientific exploration, offering a unique and detailed record of Earth's history. By drilling deep into the ice sheet, scientists can retrieve cores that contain a record of climate conditions dating back hundreds of thousands of years. These cores provide valuable information about past temperatures, atmospheric conditions, and even the levels of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide. This information is crucial for understanding how Earth's climate has changed over time and how it might evolve in the future. In addition to providing climate data, ice cores also contain trapped air bubbles, which preserve samples of Earth's atmosphere from ancient times. By analyzing these air bubbles, scientists can gain insights into the composition of the atmosphere during different periods in history, helping to piece together a picture of Earth's evolving climate. This research is particularly important in the context of modern climate change, as understanding past climate fluctuations can provide clues about the potential impacts of current global warming. Ice cores have also yielded valuable information about past volcanic activity, as layers of ash from volcanic eruptions can become trapped in the ice. By studying these ash layers, scientists can learn about the frequency and magnitude of past volcanic events and their impact on the planet's climate. This data is essential for understanding how volcanic eruptions can influence global temperatures and weather patterns. The possibility of lost civilizations and of the more speculative, yet captivating, ideas about what lies beneath the ice in Antarctica involves the potential for lost civilizations. Some fringe theories suggest that ancient, advanced civilizations could have existed in Antarctica long before the continent became encased in ice. These theories are based on a variety of factors, including the discovery of ancient structures, mysterious artifacts, and the idea that Antarctica may have once been located in a more temperate region of the Earth. While mainstream scientists remain skeptical of these ideas, there have been claims of unusual findings in Antarctica that some believe could suggest the existence of a lost civilization. For example, in 2004, a group of researchers led by Dr. Robert Schoch, a geologist known for his work on the Great Sphinx of Egypt, proposed that certain rock formations in Antarctica resembled ancient, man-made structures. These claims, however, have been largely dismissed by the scientific community, as there is no direct evidence of any human settlement in Antarctica before it became a frozen wasteland. Climate change and the future of Antarctica. In addition to its historical and geological mysteries, Antarctica is also at the forefront of the battle against climate change. As the ice sheets continue to melt due to rising global temperatures, Antarctica's role in global sea level rise becomes increasingly critical. The loss of ice in Antarctica has the potential to dramatically impact the planet's climate and ecosystems, making the study of this region more important than ever. Despite decades of exploration, Antarctica remains a place of mystery and discovery. The frozen continent holds a wealth of secrets beneath its icy surface, from ancient ecosystems to lost civilizations and even the potential for life in extreme environments. The exploration of these hidden features, including subglacial lakes, ice cores, and geological formations, continues to provide valuable insights into Earth's history, climate, and future. As technology improves and our understanding of the continent deepens, we are likely to uncover more of the secrets that lie beneath the ice in Antarctica. These discoveries could help us answer some of the most pressing questions about the planet's past, its changing climate, and the potential for life in extreme environments. Whether we will ever uncover all of the secrets buried beneath the ice is uncertain, but one thing is clear: Antarctica remains one of the most mysterious and unexplored frontiers on Earth, and its frozen landscape will continue to captivate the imagination of scientists and explorers for generations to come.